Every single year, Americans throw away 80 billion pounds of food. Let that number sit for a moment. 80 billion pounds. That is not a rounding error. That is not a statistic about restaurants and commercial waste alone. A massive portion of that number comes from households, from families opening their pantries, reading a date stamped on the side of a package, and dropping perfectly good food into a trash bag without a second thought. And it all comes down to a three-word phrase. Best buy. Use buy. Sell buy. 3 words that have convinced generations of people to throw away perfectly good food. 3 words that, in most cases, have absolutely nothing to do with whether a food is actually safe to eat. Here is what the food industry does not want you to think about too carefully. Most expiration dates are not regulated by federal law. They are not derived from rigorous scientific testing of when a food becomes genuinely dangerous to consume. They are estimates, often deliberately conservative ones, set by manufacturers to protect brand reputation, limit liability, and quietly encourage repurchasing. And some foods outlast those dates by years, by decades, sometimes indefinitely. Today, I am naming 10 of them. And after this, you will never look at expiration dates, or your pantry, the same way again. Food 10. White rice. A sealed bag of white rice sitting in your pantry carries a best by date of roughly 2 years from the time of purchase. The actual safe storage life of white rice sealed in mylar bags with oxygen absorbers is 25 to 30 years. This is not speculation or prepper folklore. Researchers at Brigham Young University tested white rice stored for up to 30 years and found it both safe to consume and nutritionally intact in meaningful ways. The label is not technically lying. It is simply being extraordinarily conservative to protect against consumer complaints about minor quality changes that have no bearing whatsoever on safety. Throwing away a 30-year bag of properly stored white rice because the label says 2 years is precisely the kind of behavior the food industry profits from, and precisely the kind of behavior you should stop immediately. Food 9. Honey. The label on your honey jar might say best quality within 2 to 3 years. Honey recovered from 3,000-year-old Egyptian tombs was tested by archaeologists and confirmed to be perfectly edible. Not theoretically edible. Actually edible. The science behind this is straightforward and well-established. Honey's extremely low moisture content and natural acidity create a physical environment where bacteria and mold cannot grow, reproduce, or survive. There is no mechanism by which honey spoils under normal storage conditions. The expiration date on your honey jar exists for legal protection and retail convention. The food itself, stored in a sealed container away from excess moisture, does not expire. Ever. Under any meaningful definition of that word. Food 8. White sugar. Granulated white sugar is indefinitely shelf-stable, and the science supporting that statement is not complicated. Sugar does not support microbial growth. It does not oxidize in ways that create harmful compounds. It does not undergo chemical degradation that makes it unsafe. The 2-year best by date printed on a bag of white sugar exists purely as a conservative estimate for optimal quality, primarily to protect against consumer complaints about clumping or texture changes caused by humidity exposure, not about the sugar becoming dangerous. Store it in a sealed, airtight container away from moisture and it will outlast everything else in your kitchen by a very wide margin. Decades from now, that sugar will still sweeten your coffee without hesitation. Food 7. Salt. Salt was the primary food preservation technology for thousands of years before refrigeration existed, and it was effective for that purpose precisely because salt itself cannot decay, cannot harbor bacteria, and cannot become unsafe over time. Iodized salt's label may suggest a use-by window because the added iodine can slowly dissipate into the atmosphere over extended periods, marginally reducing iodine content. But the salt itself remains completely safe and fully functional as a seasoning and preservative indefinitely. Plain non-iodized salt carries no meaningful expiration date whatsoever. If you are throwing away salt because of a date on the container, you are throwing away money for no reason supported by any science. Food 6. Pure vanilla extract. Alcohol-based pure vanilla extract, the kind made with real vanilla beans steeped in ethyl alcohol at sufficient concentration, does not degrade over time. It improves. The label says best quality within 4 years. Professional bakers and pastry chefs routinely keep bottles of quality vanilla extract for decades, and many will tell you that older extract carries more complexity and depth of flavor than fresh bottles. As long as the alcohol content remains high and the bottle stays properly sealed, there is no spoilage mechanism at work. The vanilla compounds continue to develop and mellow. Time is not the enemy of pure vanilla extract. It is an ingredient. Food 5. Distilled white vinegar. Distilled white vinegar is already, by its very nature, an acidic preservative. It is the substance people use to preserve other foods. It has a pH so low that bacterial growth is not merely unlikely, it is chemically impossible. The label on a bottle of distilled white vinegar says best quality within 2 years. The actual preservation capacity of distilled white vinegar extends indefinitely under normal storage conditions. Some food scientists argue it remains chemically effective essentially forever. You should not be throwing this away. You should be buying more of it. Food 4. Dried beans. Dried beans carry a printed best by date of 2 to 3 years from packaging. After that point, many households discard them without a second thought. The truth is that dried beans stored in a cool, dry location remain completely safe to eat indefinitely. Quality does change with significant age. Very old beans take noticeably longer to cook and may develop a slightly tougher texture even after extended soaking, but they will not make you sick, and they will not become nutritionally worthless. Sealed in mylar bags with oxygen absorbers, dried beans are routinely stored for 25 years or more by serious long-term preppers without meaningful quality loss. Food 3. Alcohol, hard liquor. Unopened distilled spirits, whiskey, vodka, rum, gin, tequila, do not expire in any meaningful sense of the word. The label may carry a best buy suggestion in some markets, but distilled alcohol at 40% ABV or higher is completely shelf-stable indefinitely. There is no biological or chemical process that can render sealed, distilled spirits unsafe over time. Once opened, slow oxidation may gradually affect flavor complexity over the course of years, but safety is never a concern at any point. From a preparedness perspective, this makes hard liquor one of the most strategically valuable items you can store, simultaneously a morale resource, a disinfectant for wound care, and one of the most universally recognized trade commodities that exists in any post-disruption economy. Food 2. Cornstarch. Pure cornstarch carries no meaningful expiration date, and the date printed on the box reflects nothing more than the manufacturer's conservative estimate for optimal performance under average consumer storage conditions. The concern is clumping and caking, which can occur when cornstarch is exposed to humidity over time. The product itself does not become chemically unsafe. It does not grow bacteria. It does not produce harmful compounds. Keep it dry, keep it sealed in an airtight container, and that cornstarch will thicken your soups, sauces, and gravies as effectively in 15 years as it does today. This is another item that Americans throw away by the millions of pounds annually for no scientifically defensible reason. Food 1. Pure maple syrup, unopened. Unopened, commercially produced pure maple syrup is shelf-stable indefinitely when stored in a cool, dark location, and that is not an exaggeration for effect. The high sugar concentration of pure maple syrup creates the same hostile environment for microbial growth that makes honey self-preserving. There is no pathway for spoilage in an unopened, properly sealed container. Archaeological and historical evidence suggests maple-based foods were stored for extended periods by indigenous peoples long before commercial packaging or refrigeration existed. Once opened, the dynamics change. Refrigerate after opening to prevent surface mold from forming. But an unopened bottle of pure maple syrup stored correctly does not expire. The label says 1 to 4 years. The reality is permanent, provided the seal is intact. The expiration date system is not a conspiracy. It is not a deliberate fraud designed to harm you. It is simply a system built around liability management, brand protection, and the quiet encouragement of repurchasing, not around the actual science of food degradation and safety. The food industry benefits when you throw things away. You do not. Know the difference between a safety threshold and a quality preference. Stop discarding food that is still perfectly good based on a date that was never designed to reflect reality. And start looking at your pantry not as a ticking clock of approaching waste, but as a long-term asset that, managed correctly, will serve your family for years longer than anyone told you it would.